So what's a good name? Joseph, no?
Yeah, Joseph.
Okay, Joseph. So are you from
I'm from Nigeria,
Nigeria? Okay,
but I live in Finland.
okay, great, great,
Yeah.
great. So what do you know about Cypress? Like, and how many years of experience do you have in testing?
Okay, I've been working for some years now, but I've not used Cypress.
Okay,
I've used the robot framework, but I did Cypress very basic, like click, get, type in
okay,
text to get to click text,
mm-hmm.
all those things. Those basic
Okay,
health things in Cypress. That's what I've done. That is a practice I've done. And in my job now, they I'm the QA specialist in my
okay,
job, in my company. So, and there is really need of Cypress
okay,
automation
okay,
because before I joined the company, they were using robot framework for their automation, but they switched to Cypress.
okay,
So I need to know Cypress so that I will start writing the automation script for the automation test cases for the company.
okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay, Joseph. So you are in the right place right now. So let me introduce
Okay.
myself. I'm Shakil J. Khan. I'm having
Okay.
around 14 years of experience in testing, and
Wow. Great.
yeah, and also like I'm a corporate trainer, and also working in IT company as a senior QA. And mainly I work
Okay.
in automation testing like Cypress, Selenium. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. So that's the reason the timing is little bit tough for me to do in the evening or in the daytime because my office is there. So right now I'm get
Yeah.
free. Yeah, correct.
Yeah. I know the time will be tough for you. That is why I made the like maybe like earlier, but I was told you close by 8 p.m.
Yeah, yeah.
Indian time. Yeah. So I know it's quite difficult. I myself, I closed I closed 1 hour 30 minutes ago for my
Okay.
job.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not quite easy for me now.
Correct.
So having a long day all day after working, you start learning again. It's
Yeah.
not easy. Yeah.
Okay. So
So,
shall we start?
sure, sure.
Okay. So today's session will start how to install Cypress. Okay. So if
Okay.
if you have laptop, then you can do with me also. Like
Okay, like basically I've already installed Cypress. Like as I told you, I've been using it for some time, but
Okay.
basic yeah. So maybe you can be doing the installation. Let me see.
Okay.
Just
Okay. Sure. So let me share
yeah.
my screen to you.
Then if there is something that I have not done for my own, then I will
Mm-hmm.
do it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. So I'll share my screen to you.
Okay. Do you record it?
Yeah, I'm recording. I'm recording.
Okay, because it's important because I need to rewatch it.
Exactly. So can you see my screen now?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
I can
So
see.
okay. So what I'll do, I'll go my PC.
Okay.
I'll just click here. I'll create one folder.
Yeah.
I'll just put your name Joseph. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Cypress Joseph. Okay. So now I'm just going into your folder. Now I'll
Yeah.
install the Cypress first. Before you start, you just type your npm node package manager
Yeah.
hyphen I and init.
Okay.
Okay, this is what we are now creating the uh, package.json file. Hit enter. Version 1, hit enter. Description, enter endpoint. Just enter it. Okay. Git
Yeah.
repository. Don't write anything here. Just enter author and write down here yes. Okay. Now you have your package.json file installed. Now just install the npm Cypress. npm install Cypress. Okay. Hit enter.
Yeah.
Now the Cypress is installing.
What is the difference using dev save?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Save day we can
It's
also write for the recording that one to have the entry into your that file.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay. It means the installation will go to the dev file.
yeah. See,
Okay.
yeah. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
what I'll do, I'll just write down npx cypress open. I'll open the text runner so that you will get the the all the folder structure. Okay. I'll just write down npx
Yeah.
cypress open here, and I just go here to my VS Code. So you have VS Code Node.js into your system,
Yeah. I have Node.js.
and what about the VS Code?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So see, this one is the file. I'm just going to the status runner. Click on E2E testing here.
Yeah.
Now, if you see here, you will not find any Cypress folder here. But once you click on E2E,
Yeah.
then clicking on continue, you will get all the
Yeah.
file folder structure. See, just click on continue. You will
Yeah.
get all this stuff into your folder structure. Config file,
Yeah.
E2E.js file, support command.js, and example risk. Okay,
Yeah.
continue.
Hmm.
Now you can choose Chrome, Edge, what Electron, whatever you want, you can choose it. I'm choosing Electron right now.
Okay. Okay.
Now create new empty spec or scale for example spec. I'll just click example one. Okay, I got it. Now see, when I go here, you can see the folder Cypress here. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, inside this you will get this
E2E face
E2E
transfer.
folder picture. Yeah,
Mhm.
got
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now you get all this. Now in you can just go to cypress.config file. You can see here
Okay.
constant Cypress. This one is by default you're getting this one. Okay, what you do now?
Okay.
Yeah, what you do now, just in E2E inside you just write down spec pattern. This is the
Okay.
path.
Just let me see.
Yeah, this is your
Recent.
path. Just give your path. Where is your Cypress now?
Okay, that is a Cypress config, right?
Yeah, E2E.
.js. In
Uh,
E2E.
yeah, under E2E, you're defining that one.
No, under Node.js.
Yes.
Wait,
Under E2E defining, no? Under this E2E folder, you have
okay.
to mention your
Yeah.
file.
Okay. Yeah. I see it now. So what will I do there?
This one is this one is the spec pattern. Uh,
Okay, it's default.
so yeah, this one while we are running, so it gives the path. Where is your path? So I am telling them that my Files are in Cypress. Under Cypress, we have E2E folder. Under E2E folder, all the JS file it will get run here.
Okay.
I am giving you a star sign here.
Okay.
Can you see this star?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. So now what I'll do, I'll just write down here one spec file.
Okay. It means that it is in Cypress, then E to E.
Yeah.
Okay.
Under E2E, I have to define one file. Like for example, just I'm clicking here. I'm just writing here, for example, Google
Mm-hmm.
and Google one.js.
Yep.
Okay. Now I want to write some scripting here. So before, like if I write down describe here, I'm getting this description here, correct?
Yep.
Yeah. So choose describe here. Now describe is a test suite. This one is Mocha framework. See,
Yeah.
this was Mocha framework. Okay. So whenever you're writing in test cases, you require describe. So describe a suite with the given title. Okay. So inside
Yeah.
this, yeah, inside this describe we have it block. So whenever you're writing the Cypress, you have to write down the describe and it blocks. Without writing this one, it won't able to run. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So write down here to verify. Write down double quote to verify the Google search text box. Okay. Now after one write down comma here and use the callback function here. What you're using? You're using callback function.
Okay.
Okay. Now
You said? Yeah.
this is callback function. You know how it works?
Yeah. JavaScript.
Exactly. Exactly. Before
Yeah.
ES6, we write like this, like
Function.
function. Okay.
Yeah.
But after
Mm-hmm.
ES6, we write like this shortcut of this function.
Yeah.
Fat using fat or operator. Yeah. Now inside this it block, write here first test case number. Test case one. Okay. To
Yeah.
open, I can write here test case one is what? To open the Google page, Google website. Okay. And enter some string into the text box. This one is scenario we have to check it out. Okay. Again, write down the
Okay.
callback function here. Okay. Now, to open any website, what's the command? If you remember,
CY dot get.
you are not.
Yeah, visit.
Yeah, visit. Correct.
CY dot visit.
So you can just write down here https colon double slash w dot google.com. Okay. Now you have reference. Just go to file and save it. This is auto save. Okay. Now go
Yeah.
to here cy.test runner and see what happened here. What it says to you. Try again.
Syntax error.
It's giving you error.
Okay.
Yeah. Now see, I can see the Google one page here. Can you see?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
hit it. The page get open here.
Yeah.
Got it? Now, my scenario is that what I'll do. I'll just pass some string to this text.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what I'll do in a side by side, I'll open one Google page. Okay. Now I just go into the DOM. Go to right click. Go to inspect. Now, before
Okay.
passing any string to this text, I should know the locator of this text box.
Yeah.
Okay, so see here, I am getting this one. So I can choose here one formula I'm having right on. If I share to you, input, I'll just open the notepad. So there is one formula, input. We can say input is your, uh, then we can say attribute equal to value. This is the formula.
Okay. Yeah.
In this case, this input is there. Okay, so input, if I remove input, is nothing but tag name. Okay, so my tag name is here input. I don't input here in the box. Just type here class. Class is what? glfyf.
Yeah.
Copy this
That's
one.
fine.
Class is equal to a single quote. Okay. Now check it out whether this one is unique or not. How to check? Go to your folder, press Ctrl F, and click here. See, you can see one of one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can take this one and just go to your script and write on here. Now cy.get. I'll take the another it block. Now I'll just write on enter the string to search Google search box. Now fat arrow. Okay, now what I'll do here, I'll just write down this cy.get. Now there's no need to use visit here. Okay, we use cy.get.
Okay.
Copy this one. Now whenever you have to write something, you just write on type. So what you want to enter? Tell me. Let me know any string.
Maybe continent.
Okay, the continent.
Mhm.
Okay. Now I'll go here. Now see here.
Yeah.
See
Okay.
what is
Maybe
this?
the locator
Yeah, the locator
time. Okay.
cy.get input class folder type. So it says that this one is not getting. Okay, let me check what happened. Okay, I think that one is clear down this session. See the continent. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I have to click on this Google
Click.
search.
Yeah.
So what I'll do, I'll just go here and just find Google search results. I'm just take this arrow here and put arrow here. Now again I'm getting this class input class. This one my class name is. So now instead of class name, I'll choose the value. See what
Okay.
happened now.
Okay.
My tag name is input and attribute is what? Attribute is what?
Value.
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 correct. Value is equal to what? Just paste here. See, I'm getting two value here.
Two values.
Yeah, one of one, one two. So I'll do if I'm having I need unique value, correct? But here we have two
What?
value. What?
You there are two values searched.
Yeah, but I want only single
One
value.
of two. Yeah.
Yeah, so what I'll do, I'll just take this class name GNO810. Let me check this one is unique or not.
It's more unique.
Yeah, input my tag name. Now class is equal to single quote. Paste here. Again, I'm getting two value here.
Still two
Yeah,
values.
still two value. Yeah. So in that case, what I will do, I'll use one mechanism of indexing. Like
Okay.
cy.get. If I'm getting this one two, so I'll just put here eq, and I'll just use the index here eq1 dot click. Okay, and if I use, you can use force 2 here. Okay, now see what happened. See, it works.
Yeah.
Can you see?
So what is the meaning of the EQ?
EQ means what? Like it taking the value by indexing. Like
Okay.
we have two values, correct? So
Yeah.
we put one here. So it means that I
Okay.
want this value which having the index one,
Okay. It means that the first one,
the first one.
first
Correct,
search.
correct.
Okay.
If you change the index, then it will go to the another element. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in that case, if you have multiple elements and there are scenarios like that, you cannot get the unique one. So at that time, you can use this mechanism like using EQ and index.
Okay.
Okay. And suppose if
So
someone,
how will you know the index?
see, for instance, like if I'm telling you, like, see, here you can see one of two,
Yeah.
correct? So I just put one here, one or two. Sometime what happen is one of eight is there. So it will
Yeah.
show to you like which one is this. One of two means this one is one. If there is eight elements and it shows that two of eight, so just put two over there.
Okay. I got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, in that way you can do like this. So a simple way. So this was a simple test case we can run, using like Cypress. Now, if you want to check it
Okay.
out which version we are using right now, so go to your terminal, okay, and just type here npx Cypress version.
This should be version 10 or 11.
You can just put double.
Double.
See, we are using the
Version
version
12.
12.2.0.
Okay. That is the most recent.
Yeah, the most recent we are using right now.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can also like this one is your test runner, correct? So
Excuse me?
test runner.
Okay.
Yeah. So if I want to open test runner, just go to the terminal and just write down here npx Cypress open. If you
Okay.
enter, the test runner will get open now. Got it?
Yeah.
Now what I'll do, there is one question coming to your mind,
Yeah.
like what happen if I don't use the test runner? Without test runner, can we open the browser? Is this question comes into your mind?
Like if I
Without using test runner, can you open the website?
without using test runner, like if it I can run it without website, opening the website. Yeah, it can
I mean to
run.
say, I mean to say web browser. Without test runner, can I open the web browser?
You can run it without a test runner.
No, we
It
can
can
run.
run like,
We can run.
okay.
Yeah. So before I'll let you know how to run, first you just clarify these two concepts here. One is npm and npx. What is the difference between these two? npm is stand node package manager.
Huh?
Okay, and this npx stand for node package executor.
Yeah.
Okay, so this question may ask to you in the interview. So basically, what happened, like if you want to install something from node, you just write on npm, npm install Cypress, npm install whatever you want. Okay, and once you install the Cypress, if you execute the particular file, so use npx. Like I have to install Cypress, and I can use npm install Cypress save dev. Okay, so I can get
Mhm.
Cypress into my machine. Now if I want to execute something, like I want to open the test runner, then I can use npx Cypress open,
Yeah.
so I can open the test runner in that way. So this one is the
Yeah.
differences between those npm and npx. So npm stand for node package manager, and npx stand for node package executor. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now there is some different command, like as I told you, without opening the test runner, can I open the web browser? Yes, you can. So there's one command here. Just write on npx cypress run. Now instead of open, write on run and write on which browser you want to open. So hyphen browser. Like I want to open Chrome. Write on Chrome here. Now which uh, which file you want to execute? So write on here hyphen spec and just copy this one. Right click here, go to copy path and paste here and hit enter.
It will run headless.
Yeah, headless, correct. See, in that headless you will get video also. Can you see this folder?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll get video also.
Okay.
See, one passed.
Yeah.
See, two pass. Now go to video. Now see, right click, go to copy path and go to your browser and just paste that link and see what happened now. Here.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, in this way it's run. Okay, so it's not capturing the whole video. It will capturing this
Yeah,
only.
it
Yeah.
will
Some
capture the continent.
yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes it takes time. Sometimes it capture only half video.
Yeah, maybe because it was too fast.
Yeah, it's too fast.
Cypress is quite fast.
Correct.
Yeah.
Exactly. So what I'll do to get capture all the feature, I'll just put some weight. Let me check what happened.
Okay.
I'll just use some weight here. CY dot weight. I'll just wait for 3 seconds. 3 seconds is not enough. I'll take this 6 second. Okay. Now I'll just run. This one is safe. Now again I run this one. I put wait here 6 second. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the reason it becomes slow now.
Mm. What is the default weight for Cypress? Because I know it has its own default weight. Do you know the default weight?
Default with
Cypress.
no exactly. What do you mean? Like I'm not getting.
I mean, Cypress default weight. How many seconds is it?
Okay, default bit. Correct? You want to say
Yes.
it depends on the server.
Okay.
Copy path. Let me check. It captures or not. Or just I refresh it. Path is same. I'm just refreshing it. Hopefully it work. She's waiting for 6 second. See it get open now.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah, it shows the continent, which continent you want to click. You can go and click that one.
Yeah.
So in that way you can execute. Any doubt, Joseph?
Oh, it's clear.
It's clear?
Okay, like you created before you created two test cases, and you put the type continent in the
Hmm.
second test case, but it
Yeah,
failed.
yeah.
What can you do in that case?
Actually, what happened, like in version 12, the newly one. So what
Yeah.
happened? It like we can say clear the session. Okay. So if I want to use two it block, then in that case I have to use this Google in before each.
Okay.
This one is hook. Uh, I cannot advise to learn these hooks in first lecture. Otherwise, you'll get
Okay.
confused. Yeah, that's
I
why.
understand.
Yeah,
Let's move on.
yeah. Just let me just do one thing now. In a second, will I just write on here, for instance, it block uh, enter string to this search box. This is not happen in the previous version, but we are using 12, so if they are giving some session, in each test clause it clear the session.
Yeah.
Yeah. uh, Click on Google search button. This one is safe. Now I have to open this. Let me check what happened now.
And if it is running in the pipeline, this is
Yeah,
how it runs, headless.
correct. See, I got this test case failed here. Can you see? Only one
Yeah.
pass to fail.
Two, two fail. Yeah.
So what I'll do, I'll just switch off this open. I'll just go to terminal and write down here npx. I'll just open the test runner and npx Cypress open. And let me check what happened, why it get failed.
Okay.
There's the reason you are not getting this one. Default blank page, you're getting this one.
Okay.
Yeah. So what happened in the 12? This page was cleared by navigating to about blank. All active session data, cookies, local storage, and session across all domains are cleared. So what I'll do here, in case if I instead of before, if I use before each, save this one. I just run this one. I'll just do one thing. Just give the weight as 3, and I'll just remove this to 0. So can you see here the differences?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So in version 12, the cleared session is time.
Okay.
Okay. Before 12 version, we can use multiple
Test
8 block.
cases.
Yeah. So if I take you to my older version of my Cypress, will notify that one. So if you see this older version, if I go and check my version here,
Yeah.
The connection to the terminal is hot with is unresponsive.
Okay, in your network.
You know it's working. It's working now.
Okay.
Now in this case, I just write on npx. So right now, which version you are using, Joseph?
Okay.
Can you check your version?
Okay. I should check my Cypress version.
Hmm.
Okay. You're asking me to check since. Okay. Let me check my NPM. Cypress. The command is Cypress version 1, NPM.
npx Cypress version, hyphen version.
Okay, it's version 12.
Okay, you are using the latest version, correct?
Yes.
So can you see this on Google New? This contain two test case. See, verify Google page.
Yeah.
I have to use wait. Then it will work. See, two test cases work. The older version.
Okay.
So what I'll do the class. I can also you see the locator. See, by clicking here,
Yeah.
just click here and go to your, yeah. You can get this locator.
Okay.
Yeah, go here and just try right on here. Now enter
How
type.
reliable is this? Okay. Is that
Yeah, it's very easy, no?
it's also reliable? Yeah. But
Now you
is it
can
reliable?
exactly. You can also write down type. Hit enter here.
Okay.
Yeah, and let me check what happened now. So see, I'm using two test case here.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, the other disk also running here. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, like if you see here, the version I'm using right now, this older version. If I click here, go to terminal, Clicking in the terminal here. I'm typing in npx Cypress version. See, my version is 10.3.1. This one. So
Okay.
yeah, I'm using this two it block here. Yeah. So if you see,
Okay, you are
yeah,
not using before each
yeah,
and
exactly. We're not using hook
it's
here
what.
there. So if you go to Google and type here like uh, what's new in Cypress 12, go to the official document of Cypress. This one is the official document of Cypress.
Yeah.
You can see the, or I'll just go back. See, you can see yes, feature add the ability to match on resource type, intercept. This one is about the API testing. Okay, there fixes some bugs here. See, clear all cookies. This one is bug fixes here. So I'll go to the, see, caching and restoring cookies. We have to use this one, to preserve our cookies.
Yeah.
For instance, if I go back and I just click this announcing Cypress 12. This one is a block. Okay, so this one is give you the detail, why this one we are using. First one is what they have. Cross origin.
Cross origin is coming. No.
No, okay. So this one I'll let you know what is cross origin, how we tackle that one. Okay. So with Cypress 12, we are
Mm.
also bringing CYO session here. Support out of experimental and into generally, like what happened. Session support can tie closely with cross origin. In that we can save user session, storage, cookie, etc. Okay. So what happened
Yeah.
in before version 12? What happened? You can use as many as 8 block you can. Okay. But right now, what happened? They clear all the cookies. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Joseph
Okay.
will do the next part, like what type of locators are there, like how to use ID locator, how to use a class locator, different type of locator we can use to tomorrow's lecture. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And if I ask you, like, you have prior knowledge of selenium,
Excuse me?
do you have the knowledge of selenium?
Yeah, I've used Selenium. Is it the Java Selenium?
Exactly.
You mean the Java Selenium, right?
Yeah. Do you know you work on
Selenium
it?
WebDriver, right?
Yeah. Do you work on that?
Yeah, yeah, I've used the Selenium WebDriver.
Okay. Okay.
Java Selenium WebDriver. Yeah.
If I ask you, Joseph, why your company moving to Cyprus?
They are moving to Cypress because the previous automation tool they are using consumes a lot of resources in running.
Okay.
And the developers, they are JavaScript developers,
Mm-hmm.
so they prefer the Cypress because Cypress is Java based,
Okay.
more car Java based. Yeah,
Cypress is JavaScript based, correct? Not Java.
yeah, yeah. It's a JavaScript based.
Correct, correct. So, any doubt up till now, Joseph?
But what we did just now, I understand that what we did
Okay.
just now.
Sure. I'll share my screen to you. Sorry, I'll share my link to you. You can just go through it once again. So you'll get the picture what we are doing. Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Okay, then we'll wrap up the call.
Excuse me.
We'll wrap up the call.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Any doubt or anything you want
No
to
doubt for
discuss?
no, no, no. For today, today is just starting, so we're not supposed to do much.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's clear. I'm
Correct.
clear with today's teaching.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great, great.
Yeah.
Okay, then Joseph, we'll meet tomorrow then on the same time.
All right.
Yeah.
That's great.
Okay, bye. Take
Thank
care.
you having you.
Yeah, yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.